Okay, here is your quick speed run on various features of JavaScript. Again, we are not a JavaScript class, so we're not going to quiz you on the syntax, but here are some examples of things you can do with JavaScript, with a particular emphasis on attacks, since we are a security class. So one example is you can change where links point. That's a dangerous thing you could do. So maybe the HTML used to say, if you click on this link, you go to this URL. But I can write a piece of JavaScript that says, actually, please go get the link on the website, the thing with ID link, which happens to be this tag, and please set the href to no longer be this URL, but to be this evil URL instead. And if I run this piece of JavaScript, now a user clicking on the web page will instead get teleported to this malicious URL instead. And remember, all of this is happening client side. So what would have to happen is I'd have to send the HTML and send this code. And if the user's browser runs this code, it changes the website for that user. Not necessarily for everyone else. This is only running in that one user's browser. But that's something you can do. It would cause the user that receives this script and runs it to change where this link is pointing. Something else you can do is you can make pop-ups show up. So if you have an alert function and you put some text in the alert function, it will create this little pop-up box with the text that you supply, and you have to click OK to make it go away. This is sometimes useful if we're trying to build attacks as like a hello world. So instead of writing an actual attack, we can just write the alert function to check if our attack is working. And if it is, then we replace alert with something more complicated. So that's another thing you can do. If a browser downloads HTML with this script, the browser will run this script and cause this annoying pop-up to show up for the user. Something else you can do is you can actually make HTTP requests with JavaScript. It's a very powerful language. If someone runs this particular script in their browser, it will say, please make a post request to this evil URL. And remember that post request can contain data. So in addition to making this request, please also attach some data. And please attach this secret variable. And so maybe what this will do is it will send the value of the secret to this evil website. And if you control the evil website, then you'll receive that request and you will now know the secret. So this is something else that JavaScript can do. It can make its own HTTP requests, and you can specify whatever variables or data you want to send to whatever destination you want, possibly an evil one.